everyone, it's Els here on Technique Friday. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble the Honey Bear die set. So the Honey Bear comes with all different parts. So you can make a standing bear, you can make it sitting with different hands here. So these are some samples. We have the little bee in there as well. You deserve a hug. This one, sending you bear hug. So this is all in the same line, in the same release with all the accessories. This one on the bridge, how super cute is that one with the pond here, little parasol, and then here this one with the peekaboo. Super cute die set to work with, and again can be combined with all the different accessories that we have already in the line from Josette. So this is the die set, so face, belly, legs, and here the full arms, and these are the little hands to hold a honey jar, face, eyes, nose, ears, and then as a bonus here the little bee on there. That's one of the die sets, actually one of my first designs that I absolutely love, so we thought we put it in here as an extra. A little bow and a honey jar here. So let me put this aside. So first I'm going to start with the sitting one. So what I will do first, I will put the ears on. So some pieces have our double-sided adhesive on there. So the Elizabeth Craft Designs double-sided adhesive. You can have that, buy that in rolls, or you can buy that in sheets. So that's the ear. So this has adhesive on the back, so you can just glue it on here. Second ear. Then the honey jar, put this in here, and this has embossed lines, so it's very easy to line it up on here. So it's that one, and this other piece you can put it on the hands. Here if you look at this one, you see the sample here, so she's taking the honey out of the jar, so you can do that. And then I'm going to put the eyes on. And you probably don't see it, but there are embossed lines on the face, so it's very easy to line them up in the correct spots. And the second one, that's here. And then we have the little face, and it has an embossed line here for the mouth. I already drew that with the Pigma Micron. It's going here, and then of course we missed the nose, so I have that one here, so I color that with the ground espresso in this case. So this is all our white soft finish cardstock. So now I can start assembling this. So I'm going to take a little bit of kids glue, put it on the back here, take the ears and stick them down. There you go. Oh, let me do the belly, and I didn't use the inner belly here. There's another part for that. I will use it in the next sample, but in this case the honey jar will be in front of it. And here for the legs. So you see how easy it is to assemble these characters. They are so much fun. That's that, and then a little bit of extra glue for the jar. So it's going to hold that one. So now the hands here, so these have adhesive on the back, so very easy to put down. And the last one, isn't that a cute little bear? And then I will show you quickly, because I don't think we ever made a video with the bees. So those bees, I have two wing sets, so one open and one more closed. And then I have the yellow part, so these have adhesive on the back. They're super simple to assemble. And if you have those yet, they are so super cute. So that's that one. And then the part with the stripes also has the adhesive on the back. Oh, I have some. And you just line it up. So here you have one bee. And then the other one, same, so it has more open wings. So same. That goes on the yellow. You can do it first the yellow down as well. That's the same, doesn't matter. Just kind of line it up like this. And I love these so much, so I said to you that we need to have those in the set here, because everybody that buys a bear with honey needs a bee as well. So then you can lift up the wings a little bit with this one as well. You can actually probably have one eating out of the honey jar. So that's this one. So that's the sitting one. I will also assemble the standing one. So for this one I use the Vintage Photo, the tea dye for the lighter parts, and then the candied apple and the wild honey for the honey jar. So let me put this on the side. So here I have the standing one. So I already assembled the face here. You can see that the same with the sitting one and the ears. And here I have the other belly part, has adhesive on the back. I didn't use this part with the sitting one because it was covered with the honey jar. So here we have all the parts. So now I'm just going to take some of the kids' glue here. I'm going to start with the ears here. That, then I will put the belly on. Then the arms. I can do a little bit of glue here and just slide it underneath there. And then the last ones are the legs. That's it. And then I can take that little piece that I didn't use with this one. So this way I can actually eat the honey out of the jar. Little bees, and then I have a little bow. I'm just going to put some glue here in the center and put it on there. There you go. So the sitting and the standing honey bear with the little bees. So that's it. Oh, let me tell you. So for this one I used the rusty hinge for the bear itself. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to download the free project page for supplies and step-by-step instructions. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on our weekly videos. See you next time.